Hello everyone. So in this video I will be discussing the weightage of mathematics which is given by CBSE for each and every chapter. Okay, so CBSE gives its weightage unit wise and we divide it into chapters. So for mathematics CBSE has given this weightage as you can see here. So I will be discussing these all one by one. So our unit 1 is number system, which is of 6 marks according to CBSE. So the chapters which it covers is real numbers. It has only one chapter which is real numbers. It's very easy chapter and it is of 6 marks. Okay, so moving on to second unit, which is algebra. Algebra is a big unit. It also has a very high weightage of 20 marks, and the chapter it covers are polynomials, pair of linear equation into variables, quadratic equation, and arithmetic progression, which is your AP. Okay, now moving on to the third unit, which is coordinate geometry. It is of 6 marks. It is only having one chapter, which is coordinate geometry itself. It is of 6 marks. Okay, now moving on to the fourth unit, which is geometry. Geometry consists of 15 marks. It consists of 15 marks. Okay, it consists of 15 marks. The chapters which are there in geometry are triangles, circles, and construction. Triangles, circles, and construction. Basically, in triangles, a question comes of 4 marks, which is of theorem, proving a theorem. There are 4 theorems in triangles, which are BPT, then Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem, and area theorem. And one theorem comes regularly in each exam. So I would want you to just get one that theorem. And from construction, a question of 4 marks is always coming. There are only 2 exercises in construction, so that is very easy chapter, and I want you to do that very strong. Okay, and a 4 marks from algebra, 4 marks question from algebra also comes. Okay, now moving on to our fifth unit, which is trigonometry. Many students are facing a lot of problem in trigonometry. It is coming of 12 marks. It is also having high weightage. It is of 12 marks. The chapters which it covers is introduction to trigonometry, which is basically your trigonometry, and some applications of trigonometry, which is nothing but your height and distance. Okay, so these both chapters consist of 12 marks in exam according to CBSE. Now moving on to our unit 6, which is mensuration. It consists of 10 marks in CBSE. It consists of 10 marks. The chapter it covers are areas related to circle and surface areas and volume. It covers areas related to circle and surface areas and volume. These both chapters are of 10 marks, and a very high probability of 4 marks question is there from this unit, from trigonometry, from mensuration, 2 questions from geometry, and 1 question from algebra. Okay, now moving on to our last unit, which is statistics and probability. These are both the names of the chapter. It covers chapter with statistics and probability. According to CBSE, it is of 11 marks, and always a question of 4 marks comes from statistics. Okay, it's a very easy chapter, formula based chapter. You have to just apply formula and you will get answer. Mean, median, mode, and at last there is ogive, and probability is just same which you have studied in class 9, nothing new. And if you will count marks, see, these are 6 and 20, 26, and 6, 32, and 15, 47, and 12, 16, 59, and 10, 69, and 11. These will be 80 marks. So the weightage I have told you is of CBSE final exam. Your school may have different weightage. It is the weightage of CBSE, and I would want you to work accordingly as I have given you this in the beginning. So I want you to just focus more and more on, it's very easy chapter construction. Focus more on theorems of triangles, then 4 marks question from algebra, stats formula based chapter, mensuration, and I have also told you that many students face difficulty in trigonometry.